maybe they're up in the front, guys. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's a big one. I don't know if I'm gonna get this guy. Hello guys, PH here. I'm at the pond. It's cold, windy. We had rain for the past 2 days. As you could see, it got much higher. I'm gonna try to go around here. I'm gonna have to stand in the water. I got some new baits I'm gonna try, some Berkley power baits and other stuff I rigged up. Let's see if we could nab anything. Alrighty, something new here. I have these from Bass Pro Shops, and I hooked it up to a little jig. It has like real action, like rubbery and wiggly. We're gonna give this a go and try it out on a spinning rod. Well guys, nothing on this. I thought it would look good, but over here, nothing. It don't cast far on this rod with this 20-pound braid. It just don't go, so we're gonna try something else. Well, I'm in the front. It filled up really high. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get anything up here. Oh, maybe they're up in the front, guys. A little bass. All right, I was in the back for the longest time. I didn't get nothing. Came up in the front, and I nabbed this little beauty here. Fat little sucker. I don't know if I'm going to be able to step out over there where I usually go. It's filled up. So let's let this beauty go. What the hell is he doing? There he goes. Oh! I don't know if I'm gonna get this guy. Whoa! Whoa. That's a monster right there. Whoa, he just got off. Oh no! He just got off. Look at that. Let's let him go. It's a nice golden beauty. Have to get down here. What a mess. Guys, I got him up this hill. Whoa! I'm gonna bust my ass. Alright, let's let him go. Oh, there he goes. Thanks for popping, beauty. Let's see if we can move down here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to walk across with these boots. I don't think so. Whoa! Obstacle road. Oh, that's nice. I don't know if I'm going to be able to walk across that, guys. We'll soon find out. I'm going to take a few casts here. Cast out here. See if anything pops over here. Oh, something did right here. Oh, he's going under that. Oh, he's in the log. Oh, this isn't good. Holy moly. Oh, he just got off. Come here, you slime rocket, you. Whoa. They're cold. Let's go put them back. Oh, I'll let them go over here. Look cool. Oh, that water's cold. There he goes. Woohoo! There he is out there. Alright guys, I custom painted this one up to look like a perch. So let's see if this works. I'm gonna see if I could get across this. I don't know where to go. I only got these little high boots on here. Looks like I could go maybe here. Oh, I got like, I don't know. It's kind of deep on the rock. Oh, rocks here. I got like, if I sink in there, I'll be doomed. I don't know where to go. I know there's rock here. Oh, go up here. Oh, I made it. Holy smokes. Holy God. Whew. Alright, now I'm gonna fish over here. There ain't nothing biting. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's a big one. Stay on, stay on. Oh. Oh. You like the silver, I'll be damned. Alright, stop your jumping, stop your jumping. Come on, you're gonna get me in these hooks. Get my tools. I like the silver bait. I don't know why. Whew. They just like that silver bait. Let's let him go over here, see what he does. Oh, that's cold. Go, brother, go. Oh, he knows to go back that way. Look at him. There he is. He's going. He's going. I don't know, guys. Whatever this bait is, it's like a perch, but it's silver and it has a little red on the bottom. It's like translucent a little bit. Whatever it is, they're eating. Because whenever I use this one, they bite it. So I'm gonna stick with it. Alright, it's getting dark. I can't see. And I gotta get across to the other side here. So I have to do it now. It's pretty deep. I don't think I'm going over here. I don't know where I went. I think I went here. It looks pretty deep here. I don't know if it got deeper. It's filling up with water. Whoa! I think I'm going in. Whoa! That was right up almost to the top of the boot. I'm gonna fish here a little bit. Alright guys, it's cold, I'm freezing, it's dark, I don't even know if you'll see me good. Anyhow, in the back, stunk. I tried all new baits, some of them Berkley ones and stuff. Tried them in the front. The jerk bait was it today. That's what they always liked. And unfortunately, I just lost the one that was catching them all. So I'm going to have to try to locate another one of them silver ones that look like a perch. I think Yozori makes it. Or maybe it's Matt, so I have to check my other one. Ah, man. At least I got a bass and some pickerels. I lost the big one right here. And I tried my best. It's cold. I gotta get out of here, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a like and a comment. I appreciate it. If you're new watching, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. PH out.